गुरुदेव तव महनीय कृपा, गुरुदेव तव महनीय कृपा, मेरे जीवन का अवलंबन है, बस एक यही मेरा बल है, गुरुदेव तव महनीय कृपा।
जय गुरुदेवं चिन्मयानन्दं प्रणमाम्यहं गुरुदेवम् अहर्निशं। जय गुरुदेवं चिन्मयानन्दं प्रणमाम्यहं गुरुदेवम्। धर्मोदारकं गीताप्रचारकं, धर्मोदारकं गीताप्रचारकम्, आनन्दरूपम् आत्मस्वरूपम्, आनन्दरूपम् आत्मस्वरूपम्। जय गुरुदेवं चिन्मयानन्दं प्रणमाम्यहं गुरुदेवम्। तामसहारगम् उत्साहवर्धकम्, तामसहारगम् उत्साहवर्धकम्, तपोवनशिष्यं सत्यस्वरूपं, तपोवनशिष्यं तत्त्वस्वरूपं। जय गुरुदेवं चिन्मयानन्दं प्रणमाम्यहं गुरुदेवम् अहर्निशं। प्रेमहृदयिनं परमविरागिणं, प्रेमहृदयिनं परमविरागिणं, सन्न्यासिनं गुरुं शिरसा नमाम्यहं, सन्न्यासिनं गुरुं शिरसा नमाम्यहं। जय गुरुदेवं चिन्मयानन्दं प्रणमाम्यहं गुरुदेवम् अहर्निशं। जय गुरुदेवं चिन्मयानन्दं प्रणमाम्यहं गुरुदेवम्।
More important than what is behind you and what is ahead of you is what is in you. Seek it, centered in it, act and live. Thus said Swami Chinmayananda, who was born in this very day, May 8, in 1916, the great Indian Hindu spiritual teacher of Neo-Vedanta tradition.
On this auspicious day, that is 105th birth anniversary of Pujya Gurudev Swami Chinmayananda Ji, I would like to remember a few of his very beautiful and meaningful words. Swamiji once told that a growing youth who are determined to achieve their goal, who are sure about their dignity, who are consistent in their endeavor, who are proud of their culture and background, can only bestow the status of a nation to a growing country. On this august occasion, I believe that no other message can be given to the students, children and youth of the nation than this. So dear students, on this august occasion, let's remember, let's pay respect and let's get inspired by the great teachings and principles of that great master. Thank you.
The job of feet is working, but their hobby is dancing. Do you know, friends, what Polo Polo say about dance? He said, when you dance, you can enjoy the luxury of being you. Okay, friends, come let's enjoy the beautiful dance of our dear friends.
ओङ्कारसूनमकरन्दरसं पिबन्तम् अध्यात्मभृङ्गमवनितलभाग्यशृङ्गम् आनन्दपूर्णमतिमप्रतिमप्रभावम् श्रीचिन्मयं गुरुवरं हृदि भावयामि पुन्नीलदाम्बुजदलायतमुग्धनेत्रम् उत्तप्तनिर्मलसुवर्णसमानगात्रम् पुण्यभक्तजनमानसराजहंसम् श्रीचिन्मयं गुरुवरं हृदि भावयामि ओङ्कारसूनमकरन्दरसं पिबन्तम् अध्यात्मभृङ्गमवनितलभाग्यशृङ्गम् आनन्दपूर्णमतिमप्रतिमप्रभावम् श्रीचिन्मयं गुरुवरं हृदि भावयामि
Last day when I was passing the next door, I happened to hear an interesting exchange among three people. Some words fell into my ears. A school with a difference means students with values, character and competency. A school with a difference means teachers who can transform and touch students' heart. Are you interested to listen? Follow me.
Do the act as perfectly as possible. The beauty of the performance of the present will determine, will order, will command the beauty of the result that come in the future. Recognizing this rhythm of life, Krishna advises Arjuna, yours is the only duty to fulfill your function today. May you not unnecessarily dissipate your mental vitality in worrying over what will happen, the result of the future. It is suicidal to all men of achievement. That doesn't mean that you should not think of the future. When you are undertaking a work, there are two stages. Stage number 1 is planning. And after planning is the stage of execution. While planning the work, certainly you must collect all the data. Bring the entire experience of yours to bear upon the data available. Plan out how am I to act in order to reach a covetable goal in the future. This is called planning. Having planned when you rolled up your sleeves and tucked up your pant and entered into the field of performance, you may never waste your mental vitality in unnecessarily worrying over an unknown quantum called the future. The moment you become anxious of the future, you become nervous. And then you say the pressure of the situation. If you are thus working in the present, every action must be perfect. The excellence of your performance will determine ultimately the results in the future.
Do the act as perfectly as possible. The beauty of the performance at the present will determine, will order, will command the result in the future. Thus said Pujya Gurudev Swami Chinmayananda.
Hi Alfred, good morning. What's up?
Hari Marsha, warm good morning. You know, today is Chinmaya Jayanti, the auspicious day when Gurudev was born on 8th May 1916. You know that this pandemic has overhauled our entire life. Everything is stagnant and came to a standstill. Anyway, now I have been watching the Chinmaya Jayanti online celebration.
You were right, Alfred. I am also upset thinking about the uncertainty of this so-called new normalcy. But you see, the various activities that has been implementing in our Vidyalaya, despite these confusions, really refreshing. I am very happy that all our teachers are much passionate to work out to achieve this very vision of Vidyalaya.
Yes, our vision is so great that it's holistic and integrated development of each and every child, focusing on the academic excellence, personality development, spiritual and cultural aspect. All the domain is given equal importance.
We are really lucky.
You are absolutely right, children. We admitted you in this Vidyalaya for the same reason.
Yes, we experience it. Our curriculum gives sufficient weightage to values, discipline, cultural awareness, etc.
Don't forget Chinmay Vision program, that is integrated development, Indian culture, spiritual development and universal outlook. Our teachers transfer these concepts along with these fundamental values. How innovative they are adopting various tools and techniques.
I agree. Parents are also beneficiaries of this great vision. We are provided with platform for spiritual development through Gita Gnana. In this pandemic period, finding a spiritual solace at the lotus feet of Lords mitigate the tension and worries to a great extent.
We children are also provided with Gita Gnana Yajna.
Chik classes, seva activities, Gita chanting, Balihar camp, Navratri, Madhu Puja, list is endless.
The most important thing is the first Vidyalaya by the mission is our Chinmay Vidyalaya Kollam, which gives an additional energy and enthusiasm straight extra miles.
We are so lucky to be a part of this great institution and able to fulfill the duties and responsibilities towards ourselves, our family, our vision and to the entire world as envisaged by Pujya Gurudev Chinmayananda.
Naturally, the work becomes excellent. Excellent work shall produce excellent results. We cheat ourselves from our successes by our unintelligent dissipation of the mind in our over-anxiety for the fruits thereof. Krishna is giving a tip to Arjuna. Here is a wonderful field for you to achieve, and in achieving, do your duty, fight out the battle. Let every arrow go and hit the point that you want to hit. Don't worry about the future. Don't evaluate that their army is long and larger than our army. Will we win? Don't dissipate, distract your mind. Keep your mind calm and serene. Your anxiety must be to excellence. It's the goal. Learn to work thus with your mind where your hands are working. We don't do it. We work with our hands and our mind is wandering all over. So the hand that is working is a mindless hand. Mindless hand cannot afford to expect any great results. Think. Keep your mind where your hands are functioning. Be here, now and act. We are never here. We are everywhere but not here. Think. Either we are wandering in the past, I should not have done it, I don't know why I did it. Or you are in the future, will I get the result, etc. Learn to be here and now. Bring all your mind and your attention and awareness there where the hand is doing a job. The performance will become excellent. Excellent performance will always give you excellent results.
अखण्डमण्डलाकारं व्याप्तं येन चराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जलशलाकया तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुरेव परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। स्थावरं जङ्गमं व्याप्तं यत्किञ्चित् सचराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। चिन्मयं व्याप्य यत् सर्वं त्रैलोक्यं सचराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। सर्वश्रुतिशिरोरत्न विराजितपदाम्बुजः वेदान्ताम्बुजसूर्यो यः तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। चैतन्य शाश्वत शान्तो व्योमातीतो निरञ्जनः बिन्दुनादकलातीतः तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। ज्ञानशक्तिसमारूढः तत्त्वमाला विभूषितः भुक्तिमुक्तिप्रदाता च तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। अनेकजन्म सम्प्राप्त कर्मबन्धविदाहिने आत्मज्ञानप्रदानेन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। शोषणं भवसिन्धोश्च ज्ञापनं सारसम्पदः गुरोर्पादोदकं सम्यक् तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। न गुरोरधिकं तत्त्वं न गुरोरधिकं तपः तत्त्वज्ञानात् परं नास्ति तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः।
പ്രവണതയിൽ മുങ്ങിപ്പൊങ്ങുന്ന വിദ്യാർത്ഥി സമൂഹം ആധ്യാത്മിക പ്രഭാവമുള്ള ഒരു ജീവിതം ഉണ്ടാക്കുവാനും ശരിയായ ദിശയിലേക്ക് സമൂഹത്തെ നയിക്കുവാനും മൂല്യാധിഷ്ഠിത വിദ്യാഭ്യാസത്തിന് മാത്രമേ സാധിക്കുകയുള്ളൂ. അതിന് പര്യാപ്തമായ അന്തരീക്ഷം സംജാതമായിരിക്കുന്നു ചിന്മയ വിഷൻ പ്രോഗ്രാം. കോവിഡിന്റെ പശ്ചാത്തലത്തിൽ ഓൺലൈൻ വഴി കൊല്ലങ്കോട് ചിന്മയ കുടുംബം ചിന്മയ ജയന്തി സ്വഗൃഹത്തിലിരുന്നു കൊണ്ട് ആദരവപൂർവ്വം ആചരിക്കുന്ന വേളയിൽ അർപ്പണ മനോഭാവത്തിൽ ഇവിടെ കലാപരിപാടികളിലൂടെ ഗുരുദേവന്റെ മഹാചൈതന്യം നമ്മളിൽ ഓരോരുത്തരിലേക്കും എത്തിക്കുവാനുള്ള ഈ എളിയ ശ്രമത്തിൽ ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് ചരിതാർത്ഥ്യമുണ്ട്. പ്രിൻസിപ്പൽ നിഷ എ ബി അവർക്കും സഹ അധ്യാപകർക്കും ഇതിനുവേണ്ടി എല്ലാവിധ ശ്രമങ്ങളും നടത്തിയ എന്റെ കുട്ടികൾക്കും ഒരിക്കൽ കൂടി കൃതജ്ഞത അറിയിക്കുന്നു. ഓം തത്സത്.